The Vulcan name has always stood as a symbol of Kawasaki's dedication to cruiser motorcycles. With its roots reaching back to the 1980s, the Vulcan lineup has embodied the spirit of freedom, comfort, and raw power on the open road. In 2025, Kawasaki has redefined this iconic cruiser with the launch of the new Vulcan 900. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a carefully crafted balance of tradition and modern technology, wrapped in a design that appeals to both loyal Vulcan riders and a new generation of motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900, from its design and engine to comfort, features, performance, and why it may just be the best mid-sized cruiser on the market. The design. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Vulcan 900, you notice one thing immediately: Kawasaki has blended classic cruiser styling with modern refinements. The long, low stance is unmistakable, a bike designed to look powerful even when it's standing still. The new sculpted fuel tank carries the heritage Vulcan curves, but with sharper lines that give it a modern edge. Kawasaki has also updated the lighting package. The round headlamp now features full LED technology, providing better illumination while retaining that retro cruiser appeal. The taillight and indicators follow suit, offering brightness, durability, and a sleek finish. The bike's chrome accents have been toned down for a darker, more aggressive look, especially in the Blackout edition. Riders now have options: a traditional chrome-laden cruiser or a stealthy blacked-out machine that screams modern muscle. Engine and performance. The beating heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 remains its 903cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, a proven powerhouse that strikes the perfect balance between torque-heavy cruising and everyday practicality. Kawasaki engineers have refined the fuel injection system, delivering smoother throttle response and improved mid-range torque. That means when you twist the throttle, you feel an instant surge of power, perfect for overtaking on highways or cruising comfortably through city streets. The Vulcan 900 produces around 50 horsepower and 60 pound-feet of torque, but the magic isn't in the numbers, it's in the delivery. The low-end grunt ensures effortless riding, while the steady pull through the rev range makes it adaptable for both new and experienced riders. Paired with a 5-speed transmission and belt drive, the Vulcan provides a smooth, quiet, and low-maintenance ride. Belt drive not only enhances durability but also reduces vibration, adding to the cruiser's refined feel. Ride comfort. Cruisers are all about comfort, and Kawasaki hasn't overlooked this. The low-slung seat height of just under 27 inches makes the Vulcan 900 accessible to riders of all sizes. You don't need to be tall to feel in control of this bike. The wide handlebars and forward-mounted foot pegs place the rider in a relaxed position, perfect for long-distance cruising. The new seat design in the 2025 model uses memory foam padding, offering better comfort over extended rides. Passenger comfort has also been improved, with a wider pillion seat and optional backrest. Kawasaki knows that many Vulcan riders share their journeys with a partner, and this update ensures both rider and passenger enjoy the experience equally. Suspension has been upgraded with a 41mm front fork and preload adjustable rear shocks, designed to soak up bumps while maintaining stability. Whether you're riding through city streets or on winding highways, the Vulcan 900 glides with confidence. Technology. While the Vulcan 900 stays true to its traditional cruiser roots, the 2025 model integrates modern technology for today's riders. The most notable addition is the new digital analog hybrid instrument cluster. It combines a classic analog speedometer with a small digital display that shows gear position, fuel range, trip meters, and more. Another exciting feature is Kawasaki's smartphone connectivity via the Rideology app. Riders can now track ride statistics, monitor maintenance schedules, and customize certain bike settings directly from their phone. This small touch brings the Vulcan 900 into the connected era without overwhelming its classic cruiser charm. Additional modern features include USB-C charging ports, optional heated grips, and integrated LED accent lighting for night rides. Kawasaki has managed to keep the Vulcan simple while offering enough modern conveniences to satisfy today's expectations. Handling and control. Despite its cruiser stance, the Vulcan 900 is surprisingly agile. Its low center of gravity gives riders confidence at low speeds, especially when maneuvering in parking lots or through traffic. The new lighter alloy wheels reduce unsprung weight, improving both handling and ride quality. Kawasaki has fitted the bike with front and rear disc brakes supported by ABS for enhanced safety. Braking feels firm and predictable, which is essential for a cruiser of this size. On highways, the Vulcan 900 feels planted and stable, with little vibration thanks to the rubber-mounted engine and belt-driven system. Riders will appreciate how smooth and composed the bike remains, even at higher cruising speeds. Variants and customization. Kawasaki knows that cruiser riders love personalization. That's why the 2025 Vulcan 900 comes in multiple trims, including the Classic, Custom, and Special Edition. The Classic stays true to traditional cruiser styling, with chrome finishes and a vintage look. The Custom emphasizes blacked-out components, sportier wheels, and a more aggressive stance. The Special Edition blends both worlds, offering unique paint schemes and premium features as standard. Beyond trims, Kawasaki also offers an extensive range of accessories, saddlebags, windshields, crash bars, touring seats, and even performance exhausts. This makes the Vulcan 900 a blank canvas for riders to truly make their own. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the most impressive things about the Vulcan 900 is its fuel efficiency. With its refined engine and efficient fuel injection system, the bike offers around 45 to 50 miles per gallon, depending on riding style. Combined with a 5.3-gallon fuel tank, you can expect a practical range of over 200 miles on a full tank. This makes the Vulcan not only a comfortable cruiser but also a practical choice for touring riders who value fewer fuel stops and longer journeys. Comparisons. In today's competitive cruiser market, the Vulcan 900 sits in an interesting position. It bridges the gap between entry-level cruisers like the Honda Rebel 500 and larger machines like the Harley Davidson Kawasaki Vulcan. Compared with its rivals, the Vulcan 900 offers better functions, lower running costs, and a reputation for reliability. While not only can they offer better speed, Kawasaki delivers an unbeatable blend of performance and value. For riders who want a true mid-size cruiser that doesn't feel overwhelming but still delivers a powerful, demanding ride, the Vulcan 900 is the sweet spot. Pricing and value. Kawasaki has priced the 725 Vulcan 900 competitively, starting around $9,499 for the base classic model and going up to $11,499 for the special edition. When you compare this to the competition, the Vulcan stands out as a fantastic value. Generally reliable, comfortable, and stylish cruiser at a price point that undercuts most of its American-made rivals. Plus, Kawasaki's reputation for durability means you're investing in a motorcycle built to last. Who is the Vulcan 900 for? The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is designed for a wide range of riders. New cruiser riders who want something approachable yet powerful. Seasoned riders looking for a reliable mid-sized cruiser for daily rides and weekend trips. Touring enthusiasts who want comfort, customization, and fuel efficiency without the bulk of a heavyweight cruiser. Style-conscious riders who appreciate Kawasaki's attention to detail and design versatility. In short, it's a bike for anyone who loves the cruiser lifestyle but doesn't want to commit to the size and price of a 1200cc or larger machine. The verdict. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900? Kawasaki has managed to take a legendary cruiser and give it just the right amount of modernization. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it simply refines everything that makes the Vulcan special. With its iconic styling, smooth V-twin performance, comfort, practicality, and modern touches, the new Vulcan 900 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience. For riders who crave the open road, this bike is a faithful companion that delivers joy mile after mile. The 2025 Vulcan 900 is proof that sometimes evolution is better than revolution. Kawasaki has built a machine that respects tradition while embracing the future, and for that reason, it deserves a place at the top of your list if you're considering a cruiser this year. Outro, call to action. And there you have it, our in-depth look at the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. What do you think of Kawasaki's latest cruiser? Does it live up to the Vulcan legacy, or would you prefer something bigger or smaller? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, news, and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Ride safe, and keep chasing the horizon.